This driver recorded the chase between Camaro and several police cars. Driver of the Camaro managed to run away, and cops are looking for him. This driver got hit with instant karma after driving in wrong way.
What's the speedy? What's me? Damn! Nice one, Speedy. Oh, when that light turned red, so when it sped up to make the light and turned, lost it. Damn.
But big accident. Woo! God damn. Yeah.
Did you see it?
I was 2 feet in front of me.
Distracted driver runs a red light and almost makes an accident. Drunk driver in red pickup truck hits 2 cars. Luckily, everyone survived this one.
If it's got you getting off of Canton, that's a definite wiggly road. But it like a dude. Oh my god. Oh,
Racing on public street went horribly wrong after one of the racers lost control and hit the pole. Check out this road rage moment which happened in West Jordan, Utah. Bad driver on the right didn't want to wait on traffic lights. He skipped the queue and caused rollover accident. Luckily, everyone involved in this accident were okay.
Yep. Try to get it out a bit.
Where's he going? What the
Suspicious.
taking the isn't he? You could have just pushed it.
Another driver who tried to skip the queue but caused an accident. Take a look.
Whoa! Where you going? Go get him! Oh, I'm gonna get his plate number.
Not thinking. Oh my god. Yeah, snow like this and...
Oh, now he's spinning. We're spinning. And we're going to get hit. This guy's going to kick, he's going to counter back. He's not. Let's go, let's go, let's go. You are a moron.
Oh my god.
Driver on the right gets hit after running a red light.
Why do I get the feeling something's gonna fall off the back of that? It did. No.
After trying to skip traffic, this driver got pulled over by the police.
For examination.
What?
Chapter 47. So much for thinking I have the advantage. Her eyes flare like she's come to the same conclusion as we circle each other, and then they narrow in a way that makes my stomach clench. Devera may have set the rules, but something tells me Kat is about to break them. Does it bother you? She asked.
Crash happened after blue car driver tried to turn left from street-only lane.
What the just happened? What happened?
I don't know, what did you see?
I was just going straight in my lane, and then all of a sudden you were coming into me.
I'm so sorry. I thought I was in this lane.
Oh no.
I thought I was in the left lane.
No, it's this lane. Shoot.
Shit, I'm so sorry.
Oh, that's all right.
I will try to get out of here.
Okay. Where do you want to meet up at? Are you drivable?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh, you got a flat tire.
Oh, I'm mangled.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let me pull.
Wait.
Sorry.
Okay.
Let me pull forward.
Get him! Get him! Get him! You shut up.
Oh my god! 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 What the f? He's taking off. Are you gonna wait?
Yeah, I will call the police. We got a video.
Here, hold on.
You want to go chase him?
No.
If you have a life-threatening emergency, hang up and dial 911.
That guy just ran away.
You're gonna get it, coward!
He has a gun!
This family witnessed crazy wreck involving stolen truck. Things could end up much worse. Check it out.
Oh my god! Baby! Baby! Babe! Oh my god! Oh my god!
That was so close.
Oh my god!
You're gone.
Oh my god, please, there's somebody shooting over here! There was a wreck!
At 4th
Oh
and
my
Bridge.
god,
They're shooting people.
4th and Bridge, there's a guy with a gun!
Is that at the intersection of 4th and Bridge?
It's a 4th and Bridge, yes.
Okay. And they're in a car or what?
There was two different people. One guy had an AK-47. The other guy was shooting with a pistol.
Hang on here. What color was the vehicle, do you know?
Gold.
It was gold, it was gold.
Gold or tan.
Oh my god.
Gold what?
Gold or tan vehicle. I couldn't tell the
It was like
make.
it was like a truck, a truck. I think, I don't know. It wrecked right in front of us. We have the dash cam, but they started shooting. They're shooting people over there. There was a car. It didn't move. I don't know if they shot anybody.
So it was at the intersection though of 4th and Bridge?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. How long ago?
Just now.
Just now.
We were pulling over to help check the people that got hit. We got it on video.
Okay.
Well, we got some of it on video, so.
Why did this happen to me?
So a tan sedan.
Tan or
wrecked
gold?
into what? Tan or
That guy
gold?
had a pistol.
Okay. Wrecked into what color vehicle?
He had a pistol.
It's.
Oh.
Okay.
When we find
Red light driver almost made an accident.
how I'll hate going out. But if you really hold me tight,
Coyote closing.
Is that dog? Possibly a stray dog.
What?
Possibly a stray dog.
Stray.
From the footage we can see why pickup truck driver swerved at another vehicle. What do you think, guys? What happened here?
You didn't see? There's an actual person inside that car. They went.
You f***ing dumb. What are you doing?
From this, because when I was a kid I saw it and I was like, oh, that's cool. The Predator thing can see heat or thermo whatever. What would it be? Thermodynamic properties?
You've been eating for 2 weeks. Yay! I got one for my dash cam. Another douchebag.
People often lose their patience.
What the f are you doing, dude?
Take a look at another road rage incident. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to comment down below on which clip you like the most. Also, don't forget to subscribe and like this video.